So I was watching the Olympics again last night, and I can't help but be absolutely inspired by the performances of the American team. Jamie Anderson getting the gold in slopestyle was amazing. Chris Mazda's luge run was just unreal. It was just an exciting moment. Some of the truly inspired performances by the figure skating team, just amazing. And all the great stories that they tell. And it really made me think about what it takes to be that sort of athlete. I think a lot of people watch the Olympics and they think, wow, those people are just lucky. And knowing someone who's an elite athlete, I know it's not luck. Now, don't get me wrong, there is some inherent talent in what those people do. They do have a special gift to rise to the level that they're at. Trust me, it's not just talent that wins gold medals. So a little bit of context that will be relevant to my story later this week. I'm going to be going to my daughter's championship meet. She swims for Delaware. It's a D1 school, and she's been swimming pretty much since she's 8 years old. Now, as a general rule, she'd probably be nothing more than an average swimmer if you take into account 80% of her events. But she has a special gift for the butterfly. So her special gift, plus an amazingly large amount of extremely hard work, has enabled her to parlay that into a scholarship and a couple of Delaware records. But when you see her swim, you're thinking, wow, that's amazing. And the truth is, it's really hard to quantify how much unbelievable hard work has gone into those swims. Since she's 8 years old, she's been in the pool every day for at least 3 hours. Once she hit high school, she was pulling doubles every day, which means that she spent 6 hours in the pool every day. And on top of that, she kept exemplary grades. Pretty unbelievable. Now that she's in college, she spends at least 6 hours a day in the pool. So if she's such an elite swimmer, why is she not in the Olympics? Well, there are two different pools that they swim in at a high level. One is a 25-meter pool and one is a 50-meter pool. The one she's really good at is a 25-meter pool, and the one that she's not very good at is the one the Olympics use, which is the 50-meter pool. Now, I know what you're saying. What the hell's the difference? A pool's a pool. Well, the water's the same, but the skill set needed to perform at a high level in each pool is quite different. In Mina's case, she's exceptional at off-the-walls, turns, and things like that. But she's not a particularly fast starter. In fact, she's been swimming for a long time, and she's still not very good at diving. So when you swim in a 50-meter pool, you remove 2 walls for each event, which takes away her advantage, which is off the walls and turns. So she's really not a very good 50-meter pool swimmer, whereas in a 25-meter pool, she has an advantage because she's so good off the wall and in her flip turns. Now, outside of the butterfly, she's not a particularly exceptional swimmer. She works very hard every day at every stroke, but the reality is that her gift for the butterfly is what has enabled her to do the things that she's done. That and an incredible amount of hard work. So what's my point? Well, my point is that you can see these people with these exceptional gifts for the luge or ice skating or whatever and think that it's easy. But the reality is that these people have spent hours and hours and hours perfecting their craft. And I find that to be amazing because just understanding the level of dedication that it takes to reach that level is absolutely inspiring to me. Knowing how much time these folks spent on their craft, it's amazing. And that's why I love watching the Olympics, because there's so many really cool stories about amazing kids who do amazing things, and almost never any discussion about how much energy and effort and time and dedication and persistence it took for them to reach that level. Truly inspiring. Hello, fellow YouTubers. If you like what you've seen on my channel, please subscribe here. It goes a long way towards helping new viewers find my channel. Also, if you want to watch the last video I created, you can get that right here. And please leave me a comment. I love to interact with my viewers. Let me know how I'm doing.